In this video, we're going to look at moving an angle from one location to another location on the paper so that we have congruent angles. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our compass and we are going to open it to some amount where the point of the compass is at the vertex of the angle. It's opened up to some distance that does not exceed the ends of the rays that you have drawn on the paper. And then you're going to draw an arc. And leave the setting on your compass where it is. Now, with your ruler, you want to draw the base of your angle wherever you want that to be. So, say I want my angle to be here. I'm going to draw a segment. So now I have to locate the vertex that I want. I'm just going to put a point on this segment. I'm going to put the point of my compass on that, and I'm going to make an arc. This is the same setting as when I made this arc. Now I'm going to come over here and place the point on my compass here, and I'm going to make a mark through here. So placing my compass here, I'm going to adjust my compass now. I want to shrink it down so that it's going to touch this intersection over here. So I need to adjust my compass. And if I draw an arc here, it should intersect at that intersection point. Then I'm going to come down here to where I want to transfer my angle. I'm going to put the point on my compass down here at this intersection and create the new intersection here. And I just need a little mark there. Now I'm going to connect this point of intersection to this vertex. And so this new angle that I created should have the same angle measure as my original angle.